In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a course on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your course visible to learners and choose the right publishing option for your content. Start by opening your Teachable admin dashboard and heading to the Courses area. This is where you'll see all of your courses in one place, including drafts and anything already live. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the correct course by checking the title and thumbnail so you don't accidentally publish the wrong one. Next, select the course you want to publish. Once you're inside that course, navigate to the Information tab. This tab holds the core details of your course, like the title, description, and cover image, and it also includes the controls you'll use to publish. It's a good place to quickly scan that what students will see publicly looks polished and accurate. Within the Information tab, look for the section labeled Publish and Preview and click Publish Course. If you want a final look before committing, use the Preview option to see how your course page appears to prospective students. When you're ready, proceed with Publish. You'll now be asked to choose how you want to publish. You can publish all, which makes the entire course and all lessons live at once, or you can publish the course only, which keeps some or all lessons unpublished. Publishing all is great when your curriculum is fully ready, and you want learners to access everything immediately. Publishing the course only is helpful if you want to open enrollment while you're still polishing some lessons, or if you plan to release lessons over time. In that case, your course page becomes visible and enrollable, but any unpublished lessons remain hidden from students until you choose to publish them. After you choose the option that fits your plan, confirm your selection. Your course will become live for enrollment based on your existing settings. If your course is public and has a price or is free, students will be able to enroll immediately. If it's set to private or coming soon, only those with access will see it as intended. Either way, the publish action respects the visibility you've already configured. Once live, it's a good practice to view your course page as a visitor to make sure everything displays correctly. Remember, you can always return later to publish remaining lessons, adjust what's visible, or update course details as your content evolves. That's it. Your course is now published on Teachable and ready for learners.